We have this topic for today, identify inverse function. This topic belongs to pre-calculus. I want to remember some background. I want to remember just some idea, some concept. First, you must remember this. Okay, fg of x equals fg f equals fgx. Okay, this is equals x. Here gf of x also is equals g fx f of x equals x. This this kind of rules you must to remember. So to find g of x or g f of x, either one, you must use the inner Okay, this concept is very important. If gx is equals f gx equals x, or g of f of x is equals g of x equals x, to find f of g of x or g of f of x, use the inner function as the input for the outer function. Okay, the inverse of f of x is written like this. Long time ago I show you. It's gonna be f to the minus 1, like this, of x. This is a way to write the inverse of the function f. Okay, the function x, function of x, you must write in this way, f to the negative 1 x. Okay. After this, I'm gonna show you one problem. Let's solve one problem. How work this idea? Identify inverse function. How identify inverse function? For that, we have one example. Is gx the inverse function of fx? That's our question in this problem. We have fx equals x plus 7. And then gx equals x minus 7. This is our problem. Now we have to find fg of x. So then find if of g of x. Therefore, we are going to have f g of x equals f g x g of f of gx. So the next step we have to substitute the inner function here. Substitute the inner function. Yeah, the inner function there. What is the inner function? The inner function is equals here. Which one is the inner function in this problem? Which one? So it's going to be gx. This is the inner function equals x minus 7. This is the inner function, okay? You need to identify what is the inner function. Therefore, we are going to have here equals f x minus 7. Now we have to apply the function rule for the other function. So here, next step, apply the inner function in next step. Apply the function rule as well. The function apply the function rule for the other function. So what is the other function? So the other function is going to be f x equals x plus 7. So you are going to have here x minus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So therefore, this negative 7 positive 7, you're going to have equals x. That's the answer. So now the second one, now we have to find, we got it, the first one, f of gx. Now we have to find here, so now find gf of x. Okay? So our problem is going to be like this, gf of x, okay, equals g of fx. Now this is the second part. We must to show or demonstrate that both must to be the same. Has to be the same. All right. After that, substitute here. Remember, next step: substitute the inner function. Substitute the inner function. We are going to have here the inner function. We are going. What is the inner function? The inner function here. The inner function is going to be g. You substitute the inner function is f. Now is opposite. It's opposite the next one. Inner. Now before was outer. Now it's inner. Now see inner function x plus 7. Substitute right here. Substitute right there. Then you are gonna have here g. Okay, x plus 7. X plus 7. So the inner function. The next step, apply the function rule for the other function. Now, what is the other function? What is the other function now? Or the function rule. is equals here gx, now so positive, and before is equals x minus 7. So therefore here you're gonna have here x plus 7, you have here x plus 7 plus, no, minus 7 here. Yeah, it's the inner, the function rule. Okay, so the last step, you solve those. It's going to be here. It's going to be you simplify this. You're gonna have x. So it's going to be x. Therefore, this is our conclusion. Since f g of x is equals g f of x, then f and g are inverse. Look at our question. Are inverse function. Okay. Are inverse function. That's our conclusion. What was the question? The question was, take a look. Before, I didn't erase the first part. Is gx the inverse function of fx? That's our question. Yes or no? So of course, these functions are inverse. So yes, as the answer is yes. It's two steps. The first step, we have to find f of g of x. Okay, this is the first step. The second step, we have to find g f of x. So the process is the same process. Substitute the inner function right here. Where is the inner function in this case? So in this case is gx is the inner function. Where is the other function? In the first case is x plus 7. Here, the second part, where is the inner function? The inner function now is x plus 7. Before was gx. Now it's fx, the inner. Now the other function in the first case was fx. Now it's gx. X plus 7. Now x minus 7. See, and both the answer is x. So therefore you prove that this is inverse function. This is one way to identify the inverse function.